Making a simple bubble bowl arrangement using hydrangea and some nice spring flowers added into it really make a pop of color. It's gorgeous and super easy to do. I'll show you how to do it. So we're going to take a little curly willow. This one's blooming a little bit, so it has some green foliage, and snip it from its stems and gather about 5 or 6 pieces together. And once you gather them, I'll show you what to do with them. So gather all your willow together and grab your bubble bowl. Fill it with about 3/4 full of water. We gather the stems together, and then from the bottom stem, you wind it around into a circle. Kind of tighten it up a little bit. And then we're just going to plop it down inside. Spread it out to the rims of the bowl, and it creates a really cool effect. Really interesting on the inside of the glass vase. So we're going to take a hydrangea. This one's green with the white flowers in the center. Very pretty. And you cut it from its stem. Make it short enough that it'll fit right back down into the vase. And then we're going to gather some of our spring flowers, ranunculus, tulips, sweet peas, and we're going to use the hydrangea as a grid to hold it. I even got some beautiful pink peonies from a local farm that have the yellow centers as well. I'll show you how to cut those, and the hydrangea will act as kind of a grid. So when you cut the flowers to put them inside the hydrangea, they'll hold right in place. And I'll show you how to do that. It's only cut a few stems, a few inches, and we just plop it right down inside, and it stays right in place. I did it in all of them because I'm doing an event, and I just really want to show you how easy it is. Next, we're going to put this beautiful ranunculus in. Pop it in next to the hot pinks of the peonies. Again, just lay it in. So all the other flowers you see, I did the same thing. I just cut stems and put them on random places throughout the hydrangea. No greeneries added really to these arrangements at all. Maybe a little sprig. I did have some fennel right there. I just popped in for a little texture. But that's it. These are for some high-top cocktail tables at an event. And they wanted a pop of color for an engagement party. So anytime you got to make an arrangement for somebody or some event, this is really a quick way to do it. I did a complimentary piece of a large arrangement using all the other flowers that we had in one big design. Pretty much designed the same way but on a larger scale. And put a leaf in the bottom of this vase instead of the willow. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and give it a try if you have a chance. Thanks.